Good morning, and I want to welcome you here to my office at Chimney and Benning Consultants. I am trying a new way today. This is our first business tip we've ever done in a video format. So good morning, and I want to welcome you. This really shows how far we've come in the ways that we can communicate with folks, our customers, our friends, or whatever. As I sit in my office, I'm really reminded of the history of chimney sweeping, which is my trade. And I've participated in a lot over the years. I started this video off and showed you in the corner. Over there's a curio cabinet that has all kinds of souvenirs that I collected from trips to Europe. Over the last couple days and the last couple weeks, I've actually done different business tips that have told you different ways to go after clients. The ways we have to do business in the year 2012. We can't do it like we did 5 years ago, 3 years ago, or as much as a year ago. But the problem is there's all kinds of people still sitting out there. The big issue is they have FTI. They fail to implement. So what I want you to think about today are the things sitting right there on your desk, maybe in your truck, perhaps on the shelf. Things that if you set time to implement could actually give you what you started the business for. More free time, higher income, less stress. What were the reasons you started? See what you can do with the rest of this week to start the implementation of what you've been sitting on. And perhaps you may hear today. What you might hear today. As I look behind me, I see a lot of awards that I've won. These mean a lot to me. They were very, I was really emotional when I received some of those. But at the same time, I can't rest on those things. I have to keep looking forward and how I make my business grow, and you as my client or potential clients, I wish for the same. So look forward. Look at what you can learn today. Make it a day going forward, not going backwards. And with that, I wish you a good day on a Thursday. Thanks for joining us here.